Out of all the tools, the chainsaw is still just my favorite. Just running it, the speed, it just never gets old.
We are looking out for the world around us and bringing art back into it. I'm Hillary.
I'm Heath, and I'm a chainsaw artist.
And I'm a chainsaw artist.
Cedar Mountain is kind of a mental destination for where we want to be.
It's where we create art out of wood.
It's a fun process. It's all subtractive, so you just get to kind of see it melt away. As Michelangelo said, you're taking away everything that doesn't belong.
We are a small family just making a living doing what we love, bringing life back to trees while preserving, protecting, and respecting the world around us. The feeling you get when you get up in the morning and it's like, yes, I get to stay home and work today. It's not even a job to us. It's our life.
All these old trees, they all have stories. Maybe their great-grandfather planted, or it was just the focal point of the property, or it was the one tree left on the farm. I really love to give that tree a second life after its first life is gone.
Bringing life back to that tree and meaning back to that family. And it incorporates them in that tree too.
It's not a huge company, it's just a company with a huge heart.
We understand each other. We're on the right path to what we were made to be doing, so we just love it.